Alright, y'all, what's going on? So we're going to document this. I just pulled the first 4 on our way to doing our rebuild. There's the first parts coming off of it, guys. We're going electric, and we're going to pull this off. We're going to pull these, I think the brakes are going to come off. We're going to run the motor for manual brake. I'm not going to run the disc brakes, I don't believe, so we're going to pull this off here, guys. The gas tank's going to come out. Anything that I don't need, I do have the VITAVON coming, guys. I went with the VITAVON, the V1, because the 30 degree north is based off the V1 5T. So you have to go with the V1. The V2 is for the other one of these guys is for the V2. So we do got the VITAVON though. It's coming. It's going to be amazing, guys. So we're at it again. Though we start on the 5T. Let's see what else we can pull off here. Oh, center diff out of here. I knocked that baby right loose. There, going. Tighten that on there a little better. My goodness. Them babies are in there. Alright, so we're going to hit them with some heat. My goodness. Yeah, we're going to break out the old torch here and hit them with some heat. Them bitches are in there. That's in plastic, though. That ain't... Those are going into plastic. There ain't no way they're that tight. We're going to hit them with hand. I guess, because that should not be that tight in plastic. Oh my God. Is that not plastic? That's got to be aluminum. That's got to be aluminum. There's no way it's plastic. Is that plastic? That's plastic, dude. Holy hell. That's plastic. That's insane how tight that is in plastic. Oh man. There we go. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, my goodness. God dang, that's insane, dude. How the hell is that even possible? There we go, that one. There we go, that one. Holy hell, man, this one is in there. I'm gonna have to get something for some leverage here. I guess. Here, get me some leverage. Hope like hell we don't strip it. Here we go. Man, oh man. Oh, there she goes. Wow, y'all see that? Hot damn, them are in there, boy. All right, now we can go back to some power tools. Don't want to strip these stuffs out, guys. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lost the drill bit. You do not want to strip these things out. Take your time. Here's my hand. Oh, yeah. Take your time. Do it right, y'all. You don't want to mess this stuff up. And has to go under a drill. Now, got on there. Those on there, which are the shorter 4, and these longer 4 are the ones that go on top of it. So, get my drill back on here. Oh, that's on. I just keep falling off. Not in the middle. All right, this thing's probably gonna fall out of here. Yep, there it is laying there, boys and girls. That's simple. Whole center diff. You've seen it. 4 screws. She's out. Oh. Shit, Lord have mercy. There she went falling apart too. Oh, did not want that to happen. So I'm gonna slap this back in here for a second until I figure out exactly what I got going on here and take it apart. So I'm gonna pull this apart, take off all the stuff I don't need because, yeah, I'm not using none of this stuff here because I got all VITAVON. So I'm gonna take the differential out of it and that's what I'm gonna use. So these stuffs here can come off and, oh my Lord. God. Well, lost something there. Great. All right, y'all, I'm gonna figure out what I just dropped and I'll be right back. All right, now let's pull this gas tank off this thing. So I don't need a gas tank for an electric car, now do we? Oh, that's tightening here. I'm pretty sure it's... And if my calculations are correct, I should be able to flip this baby over and drop a gas tank. And it's feeling like it was correct. Maybe. Alright, so we're missing something else here. What is, oh, we got 2 more right here in the center on a little clip too. I did not see that. Alright. So that's gonna be these 2 dudes right here real quick. Bust these out of here real fast, y'all. And that is a gas tank off it. I felt it fall. So we got her off. But yeah, so, oh, we're gonna flip this over here. Take this off. add this to my box of gasser parts because eventually I think I'm going to go gas. And guys, I just want to show you this thing real quick, man. This thing, I got a Method RC wheel on here, yes, just because I think I'm going to run them and check it out. But guys, this thing is so light right now. It's unbelievable the size of this thing for how light it is right now. So without putting that big old motor in it, it's made to handle that big heavy motor being on it. And I'm going to put a little tiny electric motor in a Max4. All right, let's see just how empty this thing is here. I'm back away from the damn camera a little bit. Kenny, Jesus. All right, let's see what we got in here. Get these 4 bad boys out the way here. And set that down there. And let's see what's in this thing. Oh my God. Look at the size of the gears in this thing. Beef cake. But yeah, I'm definitely going to have to thicken that center one up for sure. So we're going to dump this thin stuff out here. We're going to put some thick stuff in this one at least. And we're probably going to have to bust them other 2 up too, guys, because that's awful thin. It does have fluid in it, though. They are lubricated. I will say that. They are lubricated. And Thunder RC said he didn't touch his, guys. He just ripped this thing for 6 months, and it was fine. So, hell, I might just throw it back on there. But seeing how empty it is, I might throw a little bit in there. We'll see. We'll see what I do. I think that's going to do it for today, though, for this one, guys. I'm going to slap some differential fluid in this thing. I got nothing else I can do right now. I mean, I can pull out the Max4 and show it to you, but you've seen it. So we'll wait until we're ready to slap that thing on here and get it underway, guys. But, yeah. That's what we got going on. That's how much fluid we got inside the 30° north. It does have fluid, plenty enough fluid to keep it greased. It just is very thin fluid. It was so thin, I thought it had none in it. So, I mean, look at that. It is thin, y'all. Real thin. So, we're going to thicken her up a little bit. And, yeah, if you ain't doing, yeah, look how thin that is, guys. If you ain't doing something you love, y'all, you're doing something wrong. Until next time, peace out.